This Iberico 4 rib rack is amazing when you pan-sear them as individual chops. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Iberico pork chop with Spanish cauliflower. The first thing we want to do is prep all the ingredients. Let's start opening the 4 rib rack package, and we want to cut these into individual chops. We're going to season it on both sides with your favorite barbecue rub. I use our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost, and then we can set it aside. We want to trim the large cauliflower head into individual florets. We're going to put these in a bowl. We're going to add 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. We want to add 2 tablespoons of cherry. We also want to add 2 tablespoons of a good soy sauce. We also want to add 1.5 tablespoons of pimenton, sweet Spanish paprika. We also need to season this with salt and pepper. We're going to transfer it to an oven-proof pan. All the ingredients are now prepped, so let's start cooking. We have set the oven to 425 degrees, so let's insert the cauliflowers. Roast these for 15 minutes, then remove and flip over. Continue roasting until cooked through. We want to toast some pine nuts until they get fragrant, and we can set those aside. Then we're going to add some olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat. We're going to add the Iberico pork. Now we're going to saute this until we reach an inner temperature of about 135 degrees. We want to flip the pork chops every 45 seconds or so they don't burn to the pan. When we get to 100 degrees, we're going to add some butter, some garlic, and some thyme. Now we want to baste and continue cooking this until we reach that inner temperature, and then we can remove them from the pan. And we have to try one of these and see what it tastes like, and man, that is so good. We're going to add some of the cauliflower to a plate. Then we want to sprinkle some of the toasted pine nuts on top. We want to add the Iberico pork chops. Last but not least, we're going to drizzle with some roasted garlic aioli. And then this dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Iberico pork chops from Campo Grande with Spanish roasted cauliflowers. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. It smells pretty darn good to me. Yeah. So rich, so flavorful. I really hope you tried this at home. Happy grilling. Iberico pork, the best pork in the world.